John Osborne here with the FX Education Outlook for October 11th, 2017. We're following up after the FOMC news release that was this afternoon at 2 o'clock. We'll start up by looking at the euro yen. You can see we are making a move higher here. We're looking bullish on our 240, moving up to this resistance line. We're going to keep an eye on that for a potential break. And we're also moving up on our weekly, breaking above the previous bar's high. So we'll continue to watch this if we can break through the 240-minute support or resistance trend line. On the bearish side, yesterday we were looking at this one as a potential break higher, and what it did is it went up and touch a bunch of times on the top and finally reversed down. And now it looks like it wants to become a little bit more bearish, that we're going to start to shift ourselves and watch for a bearish opportunity. It's already breaking lower as we speak, as the new day begins after 5 p.m. Eastern time. And what we can do is see if we can get below this 1.64606. We've already broken it by a little bit, so we can watch for that one to continue heading lower. So far, it's bounced and come back up again, but let's see if it will make a more significant move. I think maybe the best way is to wait for another bar or two and then maybe take a break, taking it lower after that for a potential bearish entry. The Aussie Loonie did break through its support of 0.9716 or so, and now we're going to watch to see if we can get below this previous pivot, which I think we already have, and on down towards the 0.96729. The Aussie Swissy is still moving along this support trend line where we went down and touched it. So now what we want to do is see if we can break through it and move with a little bit of strength. So far, I'm not sure if it's going to bounce or if it's going to break through. We want to see it break through. And finally, with the Aussie US dollar, we are still waiting for it to break through this support trend line. And we are getting a little bit of a bounce as we speak. But if we can get back down and below 0.77660, then we will look for a potential opportunity to take this lower. So far, it looks like we are starting to flatten out on our daily, so let's see what happens. And that'll do it for today, and until next time, hope you have a great rest of your day.